Put the 3 cells in it. Oh. Hey everyone, Chris here, the RC Geek, and we are taking a look at the UMX Pitts. This is the new one. I've actually had this for a little while. I haven't been able to get out to the field. This is probably one of my favorites. There are a few standouts. This is definitely one of them if you're into aerobatics. The UMX Turbo Timber is pretty fantastic, and also actually the citation longitude for a jet is pretty amazing. But anyways, let's get into this. I have already flown it, I will say, but take a look at the box. I love the size of the UMX airplanes. They're just, yeah, I just geek out over them. That's it. She's a beauty. I do enjoy the paint scheme quite a bit. There she is, the UMX Pitts. I want to talk briefly about the batteries. So to get into it, the hatches on the front here, you have a JST connector. And so the 3-cell pack comes with the JST connector. However, the 2-cell pack has the, I don't even know the name of this plug on it, but it's, you know, one of the Horizon plugs. So you do need an adapter for that. Horizon sells an adapter to the JST. So we're gonna start with a 2-cell pack and then we'll fly that, come back with a 3-cell. It's really fun on 3 cells. So what I'm gonna do is, there's some Velcro in here. I am going to put this, you know, all the way forward because it is a little bit lighter than the 3-cell pack. And we just kind of shove this stuff in there. There we go. There we go. And also I've got 100% rates on everything. Okay, so right now I've got safe going. Turn that off. Nope, I still got that going. Oh, there it is. I have it on this switch, not on this switch. You can tell if safe is on when you angle the airplane and those control surfaces are just sitting static, trying to correct the airplane. That gives you an indication that safe is on. So turn that off, that stops, and then once I engage the throttle, the AS3X will be, there we go. Now we got AS3X. You have to engage the throttle to make sure that that is active. So let's go get some flying in. 2 cells. Some snap rolls here. It's a little more crisp on 3 cells on the maneuvering, especially in the snap rolls.
Trying to film them off.
The noisy cricket. All right, bring it around, we'll land. Let's put the 3 cells in it. Oh, or we could crunch it. What were you doing, man?
Captain Crunch.
Yeah. Handle it like a champ. I think I need redemption. We'll take off and land again. I got greedy. I got cocky. That's what I get.
redemption.
That was funny. Handled it like a champ. Here we go, the landing. Imagine that, you keep the throttle in it, it won't do that. Huzzah!
Wow.
Yes! That was pretty awesome. It's a bumpy runway. It's not meant for taxiing on this runway. All right, let's put 3 cells in. It's quite a bit sportier with 3 cells. We got the 3 cell in here. It's pushed further back than the 2 cell. Kind of see the placement. That should be pretty good. And I'll try not to dump it on the landing this time. 3 cells, here we go. It's a bit more sporty, so you'll see it immediately on the takeoff. There we go. See if you can keep up, Paul. There we go. It's not the smoothest runway for this airplane. There we go, I'll take that. See if I can taxi a little. Nope. You look at the airplane, you may consider it fairly delicate when you look at it, but these are actually quite durable, as you saw. Center punched it in the runway. But such a fun little airplane. So what I would say though is if you're doing snaps and all that stuff, give yourself room because it gets going real fast, especially on 3 cells and the 100% throw. But it's pretty fun to watch and fun to do with the airplane as well. All right, thanks so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video.